Hello, my name is Tyler Reinert, the founder of AutoGraze. Our mission is to simplify rotational grazing and make it feasible for the small-scale farming and homesteading folks. We want to bring the sustainability and healthy practices from rotational grazing and make it approachable for the everyday man. By using our smart gate technology integrated with our easy-to-use app, it's simply smart grazing at your fingertips. Meet Josh, a dear friend of mine who has been struggling to implement rotational grazing techniques. Let's quickly take a step back and understand the scope of rotational grazing. Rotational grazing is the practice of moving livestock over different pastures for a specific time period, allowing each pasture to rest a number of days before grazing resumes. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, this technique improves pasture and soil health, increases pasture resilience, reduces erosion, and reduces parasites in livestock. All of these benefits make rotational grazing very appealing to livestock owners of any scale, but the challenge is the enormous dedication of time and energy to move the animals. Depending on the pasture size and number of animals supported, the animals must be rotated daily, if not more frequently. The constant movement of animals and infrastructure required can be extremely overwhelming, which is precisely the predicament my friend Josh has experienced. After a full-time job, getting home late, he's told to put on the boots and get out and hike to the fields to move his animals. He found out over the course of a month he forgot and ran out of time at least once a week. So although rotational grazing is very beneficial, it has its time demand challenges. So how does AutoGraze solve this issue? Our user will be in control of access to each pasture from anywhere. Our app enables gate access to each pasture, ensuring the animals graze in the appropriate areas. The app also aids in pasture management, tracking pasture status, days since grazed, ready to graze, what pastures are active, weather conditions impacting pastures, and a custom satellite overview of the grazing areas. Additionally, the app can enable gates on a set schedule and provide status confirmation to validate current positions. The app interfaces with our automated custom smart gate system. This system can be installed on a traditional gate or installed with our adjustable sized gate. A microprocessor interfaces with the application and enables commands and provides feedback. The linear actuator drives the action. With an embedded absolute encoder, the gate status can be reviewed at any time, ensuring gate status and access are correct every time. What sets AutoGraze apart from the competition? Although other systems and apps help with management and imagery, such as Pasture Map and AgriWeb, AutoGraze is the first system to integrate these tools with smart gate control. This unique feature implements all feedback and history of movements into a complete and total management system. Our revenue is produced with a hybrid business model, with a first-time system purchase ranging from $350 to $500, depending on the specific package selected, and a monthly subscription to a premium application of $5 per month if desired. Details of the free versus premium application are outlined here below. AutoGraze is starting in an area rich with small-scale farms, the York Adams County of Pennsylvania, with over 1,000 registered small-scale farms. As production grows, we look to expand into PA as a state, ranging up to 50,000 registered farms, and eventually the Northeast United States of America with over 120. Keep in mind, these are just our registered farms, not including the hundreds of thousands of homestead and family farms that are not documented on the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Here at AutoGraze, our team, led by myself, founder Tyler Reinert, with a background in mechanical engineering and currently starting a homestead. Austin Reinert, our programming lead, is currently studying mechanical and computer engineering at Penn State University. And finally, Dylan Reinert, who is our local homestead consultant, who has successfully started and operated a new homestead in the past 4 years. Today, AutoGraze is asking for an initial investment of $6,000. Software and hardware procurement, testing, and iteration will be deliverable by the end of Q2, with a full-fledged system integration and prototype testing deliverable by the end of Q3. Finally, launching sale with targeted advertisement and displays at farm shows in the end of Q4. Our goal is to provide the benefit of rotational grazing to the everyday man, making sustainable practices feasible and repeatable for both our customers and our planet. Thank you for today's time.